Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change your notification sound on iPhone devices. Okay, so as you see, all you need to do, just make sure you're on your home screen, then search for the settings icon. Once you reach it, just click on it. Then scroll down a bit to the sounds and haptics tab. And as you will see, essentially you will see the text tone. As you see right now, it's basically your notification sound. All you need to do, just make sure you click on it, and then as you click on it, just choose whatever sound you will like. I'll choose none, and then that's basically it for the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.